So this is looking at the knock sensor, which sits under the inlet manifold in the car. It's a total pig to get out. You have to take the inlet manifold, or certainly release it, move that out of the way, and then try and get your socket, or it's a 24mm nut is this, to get your socket on it. Now it's incredibly fragile. I was getting the P0325 code, and it's probably something to do with the fact that the top is broken off, cracked all round. We're not quite sure. I'm not quite sure what really goes on inside one of these. There's obviously like a weight there, I think, and this is on some sort of trembler or motion detector here, maybe a piezo crystal or something. I will have to Google that and have a look at it now. So I don't know whether there's supposed to be any electrical contact between this part and this part here. Maybe there probably is on this surface here, which looks like it's contaminated with water seepage or whatever, because it looks like this has probably been leaking. So I'm wondering if you clean that off, if it would actually resume operation. Anyway, I've got access to a spare, so I shall put the spare in and perhaps have a mess around with this. Now, one thing that did occur to me is, because these tops are incredibly fragile, all I'm going to get is off another second-hand vehicle, is whether we should build up round here with epoxy, obviously taking care not to get in the way of the hex flats there for the spanner, and to try and build up a bit more strength between the metal base here and the plastic top, so it's not so easy to snap it off or break it off, and also possibly increase the sealing around here so that water can't get in due to, obviously rain, etc. So that's just something I will probably do on the new one before I install it, assuming it's undamaged. Is just put some epoxy araldite around here just to try and build up some strength around this joint. And if you catch it with a spanner, you're not going to be left with it hanging off and having to find another one, because these are incredibly expensive. These are £200 in the UK to buy from Honda, but luckily I think I've got a couple of spares on some engines I have kicking around. So that's what we're looking at today.